a traveler, eager to move me. My reflection will slowly fade to another time, until my head escapes. What are you waiting for? Just surrender here tonight. What are you waiting for as we go towards the light? When everything you had done, so looking for answers, if